In front of me, I've got something very cool from the brand Panzerkampf. Now, Panzerkampf is known for its military models in plastic. They pronounce it, well, at least on AliExpress, they pronounce it as die-cast with some plastic parts. Well, I can say it is plastic with a couple of die-cast parts, and the die-cast parts most of the time are the screws inside the model. Here in front of me, as you can see, the M860L, UH60L Blackhawk helicopter gunship. Now, I have two more of these Blackhawks in my collection, both 172 scale. One is from Forces of Valor, which is a very good model. The other one is from Gorgi. Still have to do a review about that one, but I couldn't wait with doing a review about this one because... and I'm going to show you that in a couple of minutes. This one has two giant guns on the side of the helicopters, and I'm not talking about these two here. No, I'm talking about the door guns. Let's have a look around. Is this my first Panzerkampf model? Definitely not. I already did a review about a Panzerkampf helicopter, the Sikorsky, also in 172 scale. We'll put a link to that in the description of the video. And here is also a Panzerkampf model right here, also in a 172 scale. By the way, this one is from Gorgi and this one is from Easy Toys, both in a 172 scale to compare with this beauty right here. Now, we got some information here on the inside in English. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. Japanese, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Freeze the frame if you want to read it. And Korea, freeze the frame if you want to read it. Now here we got the helicopter and you see it's almost ready out of the box. The only thing you have to do, you put some rockets on the side and a rotor blade. So let's do that. And yeah, I've ordered this model at the Aviation Mega Store, but it is also available on AliExpress for the same price. But I also placed another giant plane. Oh, it comes with a display stand. Yeah, you see Blackhawk M860L. I also ordered another plane at the Aviation Megastore. By the way, I did a video in the Aviation Megastore. Biggest aviation store in the world. Okay, it is well packed. And guys, be careful with models like this. You never know. There are a lot of plastic parts. Oh man, this looks good. This looks good. I'm missing some rockets here. Is that right? Not 100% sure. I have to check the photo. Okay, here we've got a wheel. Not sure if it's a spare wheel. Okay, let's take this thing out of the... Oh yeah. No, it's not a spare wheel. Ah, there are pilots inside. Oh, sorry, I have to do this on the camera. See, we can see the pilots inside. These are the guns that I was talking about. Gun Slinger. Oh no, there is nothing missing because I see two points where I can place rockets, one here and one on the other side. And those rockets are here in the box next to the rotor blades. It looks a little bit wetter to me, not that much. Man, this thing is looking good. Holy smoke. First thing I'm going to do, by the way, is... Or is that the last thing I'm going to do? Maybe it's very breakable. It feels quite heavy. So I think the base is made out of metal. Oh, base is also looking good. This thing is amazing. From all the Black Hawk helicopters I have, this is definitely the best. Even, and I'm not sure if you can... Oh! Something drops off. What's that? It's an engine. It's an engine part. Oh my god. Can I put it back on? Yes, I can put it back on. No stress, no stress. But I think I have to use some glue. And it looks also a little bit broken. Not because it fell on the table. Anyway, I was talking about the munition. It got a very nice paint. Can we close the door? No, we cannot close the door because those giant guns are here. Machine gun. Yeah, I have to use some. And we can also take off this, no? Yes. I have no idea. There is no description of whatsoever. That's always a little bit of a problem with these brands. Ah, you have to be so careful. This brings a lot of stress. Okay, first thing I'm going to do is fix this with some glue. Because I don't think it's... Let's turn it around. Yeah. I don't think it is meant to come off. As you can see right here, no, it is not broken. Can we see it? No, it's not broken. It just needs some glue, and then we can place it back on again. Ooh. Ooh. Oh! Oh! Oh, man. Stress. Stress, my friends. Yes, okay. There we go again. There is also a pin right here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but oh my god, be careful with it. Be careful. It is so easy to break something. And you don't want to break it. There we go again. Yep, there it is. Okay. It has to be like this. And use, if you have the same problem like me, use model build glue, or else you get those white stripes you don't want. No, you don't want that. Okay, let's start with the rockets. Rockets right here. Yeah, looks perfect. A little bit rusty also, I like that. And I see we got 4 rotor blades. Okay, so how are we going to do that? Got 2 pins. What is front, what is back? I have no idea. I have no idea. No way. No way. Oh my god. I was not expecting this. Check this out. It's magnet. So there is a little piece of metal right here in the middle between those holes. And there is a magnet right there, or maybe the other way around. Maybe this is the magnet and the other one. Anyways, it just clicks on. Check. Check. Click. That is awesome. Holy smoke. Awesome looking helicopter. And now the other side. And why I'm starting with the rockets, because once you put those rotors on, it's very difficult. You have to be really, really careful. Okay, same thing here. Click. Yeah, just clicks on. Look at this. uh, those faces. Those faces of the pilots. What's that? Oh my god. Are those eyes? Or are those sunglasses? What is that? Those supposed to be sunglasses. No, it looks kind of cool. In the window, it looks kind of weird, but if you look from the side, it is cool. I thought it was weird looking, but those are sunglasses, and no, those pilots are good. Those pilots are good. Phew. Okay, now let's get those rotor blades, and we see it's turning, it's rotating. Not that super good. Okay, let's place that thing right here. And you got all those things that are sticking out right here, right here. One wrong movement and it's off. It breaks. How do you like that Gun Slinger here on the side? This thing is awesome. This is definitely a must-have. I'm so glad I decided to buy this model. Oh, I almost thought it was also with a magnet. That would be amazing, but no, that's not the case. And I know from the last time, okay, you can see this is the top. I know from the last time with the Panzerkampf Sikorsky, it was not easy to put those radar blades on. If I remember, that Sikorsky had 6 rotor blades. This one only got 4. Thank you very much for that, Blackhawk. Still a giant helicopter. Now, don't use too much pressure. Okay, maybe this is the right way. Okay, if you see, there is not... I'm not sure if you can see it. No, it's very difficult to see. But the hole is not that round. Now, let's see if it's the same with this one. No. No. Okay, there is definitely... So the round side that goes like this is on top and the flat side is underneath. So I have to do this a little bit off camera or else I can't see it. Round is up, so this is, yeah, this is definitely up. So that white thing is on top. Then you have to put it, and I'm afraid to use too much pressure. Or else I would break something. And you can say, well, use some glue. Yes, I can do that, but then when I want to place it back in storage for some reason, oh man, this is... I knew this from the last time. When I did this with the Sikorsky, it was a hell of a job. Well, I think I have to do this off camera. I'll be back when I fixed it and then I tell you how it was going. Back in a sec. Okay, I'm back and I fixed it. So what I did, I was moving the rotors a little bit like this. And at the same time, I just put a little bit of pressure on it. Please don't use too much pressure. Again, don't use too much pressure. You will break a pin, you will break a rotor. There are no spare parts in the package. You have to be really careful. And again, same with all those things that are sticking out, all those details. Be careful. always think about it when you take the model in your hands, where I'm going to take it. Are there no things sticking out? Can I break something? Be careful here, those rotor blades in the back. Be very, very, very careful. Now the only thing we have to do is put the tail wheel. I think they're calling it like that. Tail wheel. Now I have to be careful again. Yes. Where is the tail wheel? I think it's here. So here are 2 holes, here and here. And there we have to put in the thing. To be honest, this is a lot better, but I don't think it has to be like this. It has to be like this, right? Why is there no description, huh? Okay. Again, just be so careful with this. This is really breakable. There we go. Here we got the helicopter. Display stand. Oh. I hope it doesn't break anything. No. Is it supposed to be like this then? I don't think so. That looks very weird. Definitely not. Definitely not. Oh, man. Okay. Don't touch it. Do not touch. Do not touch. Pretty small display stand. Can't remember. Scale 172, yeah, Panzerkampf. Here's the display stand from the Sikorsky, was also very small. I thought that one was pretty large. Okay, so there should be a hole in here. Yep, there it is. Well, that's the only thing that fits very well. Okay, here it is. Yeah, I have to say it's a fantastic model, but to get the rotor blades inside those pins, whoa, you have to be really careful. You can break something easily. But hey, if you have a plastic model kit, same thing, right? So you just have to be really careful. What is totally awesome? The magnet system on the rocket launcher. That is amazing. The details from those helicopter, sick. The door guns, the door machine guns. Let's see if I can come a little closer. With those painted ammunition bullets, that's sick. The pilots inside. I think that Sikorsky didn't have any pilots inside, so they definitely improving their models. Now, how does it look with other models? Here we got 172 Toyota Hilux. Also from the brand Panzerkampf. And yes, it comes with a figure and a machine gun in the back. By the way, I also ordered a Toyota Helix like this one in a 164, also with a machine gun in the back and a 164 figure. It is now available on AliExpress. It's still a pre-order, but it will come very soon. Okay, I have to put camera down. Yeah, it's a little difficult to, there we go, to get a good video, something like this on video. It's really difficult. You can see that's a pretty big helicopter. Okay, now we're going to take the tank next to it. Abrams tank. These are now rolling in Ukraine as we speak. Also a pretty large tank, but you see, yeah, that Blackhawk is pretty big. Can it lift the Abrams? No, definitely not. Way too big. I'm not sure if I've said it, but this is from the brand Easy Model. Also made out of plastic. Really good price quality. Comes ready out of the box. Tracks are not rolling. There's also a desert color and a green color. I only have the woodland and the desert, or also the green one. I don't know. Then we have the forgot the name about this one. My God. Nope, can't remember. It's from Gorgi. That I do remember, and there are pilots in front of it. It's from a while ago. Let's place this on the display stand. Here we go. And this helicopter is even bigger. Sea King. That's it. It's the Sea King. And I bought this one on an auction. It's not available anymore. It's from a while ago. By the way, these rotors are fitting a lot better than the ones here on Panzerkampf. So it is possible. And we got a sliding door right here, which I think is really cool. Some details. I think this is a radar or camera. We got the pilot inside without sunglasses. And I thought the camouflage look is really cool. You see, it's, let's do it like this. Yeah, two giant helicopters. And I can also show you the Gorgi one that I still have to do a review about. Let's see. Here we got the other thing I bought at the Aviation Megastore, Antonov. But here is the one from Gorgi with a pilot inside. Or with the pilot. This is not the pilot. Pilots are here in front, but with a person inside. That's pretty cool. And with opening doors. This one is also pretty cool looking. Yeah, definitely going to do a review about it and compare it with the one from Panzerkampf. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Please, thumbs up, you really help me with that. And I'll see you guys next time. Have a nice day. Bye.